Hi guys, when I am going to embed my view controller with the navigation controller, you can see for the first view controller also the navigation bar is coming here. We can enter some title. For example, this is my application name test app. So I need to hide that. I can show those title in next view controllers. For example, here for this create new account page I can show that. Otherwise here it is okay, but in this root view controller I don't want to show that. As the solution, all you have to do, just go to your view controller class. Here you have to say override func, and let's go for view will appear. So once the view is going to appear, I'm going to go ahead and say navigation controller dot navigation bar dot is hidden is equals to true. Now if we go ahead and run this, you will see navigation bar will be hidden, but the problem is when we go to another view controller, the navigation bar remains hidden. There is a solution, we can fix that. Firstly, let's see. Here the navigation bar is not there because the title Ashain Mobile Test App was there. This is the label, but this test app navigation bar is not visible. But if we go to create a new account, you can see still the navigation bar is hidden. So what we can do, we can go ahead and say override func view will disappear, and in this function you have to say navigation controller dot navigation bar dot is hidden, set that equals to false. Now we can go ahead and run. Okay, now we can see in the root view controller navigation bar is not there, but in the create new account view controller navigation bar is visible. Alright, I hope this video helps. If this video helps, please subscribe. Thank you.